Wait, is this starting? Okay. Julie, explain what is going on here.
It's an airplane ride.
Julie, it's your turn.
No, sorry.
Get
guys.
your ass up here.
No, babe.
Monica's going next.
Yes,
Come on!
that is
No,
correct.
I don't want to hurt myself.
I won't hurt you.
Sweetie, I'm 190 pounds.
I don't give a shit. Get up here. If you
Have you
go
seen
to
her
the
legs?
floor, put your legs down.
Sorry, sweetie.
Get over here. Monica.
Okay.
Do you see these lovely tan lines?
Yeah, they're sexy.
Look
I
at
want
them.
to bone with them.
Sexy tan lines.
Can't wait to.
We always have the best times when the boys are not around. It's a beautiful thing.
Oh my god.
Dun, ta, da.
Ready?
Ready?
Go.
Oh my god! Your big nose just went on your nipples!
Eat your hair. Yum. Okay, ready? Like that.
It probably
That was
smells
beautiful.
tasty.
It was excellent. Ready? One.
Okay, ready.
1, 2, 3.
That's the most epic airplane I've ever seen.
Woo! Come on, Julie. Julie. Just
Sorry.
try. Just try.
I really don't want to. I'm
Please.
so full.
Come on.